Hello everyone, this is Hers and you are watching WPF World. In this video, we are going to learn how to free download Visual Studio 2022 latest version. So without wasting time, let's get started. First you have to go to this link and here you can click on download, and we are going to download the free version, so we have to select community version. Once you click on community version 2022, it will start downloading. It will take some time to download it. Once the download is completed, you have to click on this and it will start installing the Visual Studio installer. Here we have to click on continue. It will download. Now it will open Visual Studio installer. Once Visual Studio installer is ready, here you will get all the options to select and install. I will select .NET Desktop Development. Here you can select gaming, other application you can also select which is available in Visual Studio. For now I will only select desktop development, and now here we have two options here. One is install while downloading and another one is download all then install, and then click on install button. It will start updating the Visual Studio installer and then it will start downloading the Visual Studio Community version 2022. And at the same time it will install the packages. Here you can select start after installation if you want to open the Visual Studio after the installation is completed. Otherwise you can uncheck it. Once the download and installation completed, Visual Studio will open. Here it will ask for sign in. For now I will skip it. Here I will select the blue color themes and I will click start Visual Studio. It will take some time to open the Visual Studio. Now here you can create the project, or you can open the project in Visual Studio 2022. For now I will click on continue without code. Now the Visual Studio 2022 is open. Here you can see Visual Studio has been updated to 17.4. That's how we can install the latest version of Visual Studio 2022 freely. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.